Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if you're facing this issue, element must be visible for at least 5 seconds. This error if you're getting right in your YouTube editor, so you can easily fix that. So you need to check on this red area, okay, the red area. The mistake I do is I'm trying to edit this, but you can see there is an element, okay. This element actually shows red. So actually it should be moving here. So that is what I need to make it. So in order to do that right, what you need to do is you need to bring back first and do, and I'm going to edit this undo screen and I'm going to delete it first. Okay. First I want to delete. Okay. Now it's clear. Now going back, I need to save it first. And then now I'm going to use the trim and cut. So this time I want this portion. Okay. So that's it, friends. This is the new video length. Okay. You can see new video length is 1.45. That's it, friends. Definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in my form. Thank you. Bye. Take care.